Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Zynga Poker app on your mobile device. So if you're using an Android, go over to the Google Play Store and download from there. But if you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store, this blue button in the middle of my home screen. And then from there, go down to the bottom right, the search page. And at the top, start typing in Zynga Poker. Press search, and then that will show you an advertisement at the top. I will skip past the first advertisement and go to the first organic link right here, and it will be Zynga Poker, Texas Hold'em. And then on the right hand side, there's a cloud icon for me with a downwards pointing arrow. This is because I've downloaded Zynga Poker on this App Store account in the past, not necessarily this specific device. But if you've never downloaded the application on your App Store account, then you will have a button that says GET, the Get button. Either way, press Get or press the cloud icon, and that will start downloading all of the application files onto your device. I will come back once this has fully downloaded. And so guys, the Zynga Poker app has fully downloaded on this device, and from within the App Store, it gives us the option to actually press the Open button. That will open the app, run the app, and we'll start being able to play on Zynga Poker. So let's do that. Zynga Poker would like to send you notifications. Don't allow. And there we go guys, we can see that Zynga Poker has successfully downloaded on this device. You can either log in with an existing account or create a new account there and play at the Zynga Poker tables. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.